Good day, folks. Evan Taylor Jones here, farmer by day, musician by night. God bless you. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you're doing very well. I've got some great news and results for you regarding that 6 to 7 foot tomato plant. And do you remember the amount I was hoping to harvest off of that one tomato plant? I believe it was anywhere between 40 and 50. But we can always roll the footage back and check out exactly what I said right here. You might be asking yourself, how do you get a tomato plant to grow 6 feet tall, if not taller? With this many tomatoes on here, I could shake this thing. There's quite a bit of weight on this. There's at least 40 tomatoes on here. Okay, folks, you heard it right there. I said at least 40. Well, the results are in. We're going to have us a good old-fashioned watch party. Let's get right into counting. All right, we got one. You got to start somewhere. Two. Beautiful. And those are my son's hands, by the way. He was and usually is on harvest duty. Number 4. 5. All right. Yeah, so we're going to take those to mama. As always, folks, on this channel, you are here to learn. I'm here to teach. Number 6. Number 7. And I say that because I want for viewers to understand that this channel is not about vanity. Maybe it seems a little hypocritical as I sit here and count number 9 now of the many tomatoes that are coming off of this one plant. But I have to showcase the success in my process in order to continue to teach and reach more people. And I hope you understand that. Taking more to mama there. Number 13. So let's learn a little bit. 14. Let's talk color, let's talk size. Number 15, number 16. Color is an indication of a balanced amount of nitrogen in the soil. Number 18. These are beautiful. Look at all those guys. 3 times over now. Size is an indication that there is a balanced amount. 2021, guys, did you see that? 2021, got 2 there. Size is an indication that there is a balanced amount of calcium in the soil. Oh, look at the size. 24, 25, 26, got another 2. 27. All right. 28. 29. Okay, let's pause it right there. You see the crack down the middle? That could be a few things. One could be pest pressure. Now, a worm could have gotten in straight up the vine onto the tomato plant. Or a bird could have pecked, sucked like they do slurped, and they leave the hole because they don't eat the entire tomato. Then the pests come in. The other reason that there was not the correct amount of calcium in the soil for the fruit to complete its form. Keep that in mind. 29 there. All right. Taking more to mama. Love it. Love it. 30. Wow, guys. I did say at least 40. 31. And while we're here, if you have a number in mind, you think, hey, I know exactly how many more are going to come off of this tomato plant, please leave a comment. I'd love to know. We're on 35 now. How many more can there be? And most of these we harvested when they were more firm and the color was just a little bit of a brighter red than they would be when they're fully ripe. And that is to avoid pest pressure from both the birds and the worms. 37, 38. 39. 40. Small but useful. And there I am. Oh, we're over 40 now, guys. We're at 41. Uh-oh. Oh, 42, 43. Wow. 44. Oh, yes, I remember this. Pause there. A bird. And maybe a few birds, because the tomato, when it ripens and when it gets soft enough, the birds, they tend to know by color. This is soft enough. I can get in there, suck real quick, even get some of that pulp of the tomato. I'm gonna go for it. And then when it's open and exposed to the sun, it ripens even faster. So you got other birds that come in and they do the same thing while it's ripening, just getting sweeter and sweeter, more delicious. So that's what happened here. But would you eat it and count it as 44? It did come off the vine. Or would you let that one go? Leave a comment there, folks. Let me know. That's 44. That'll do it, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. Again, God bless you. Evan Taylor Jones here, farmer by day, musician by night. Till next time,